Hello, trading is closed on May 28th, 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. At the end of trading yesterday, I thought we would see some higher prices today, and we did get them even though we didn't close there, and even though they weren't that much higher. During the day, mejt gave a sell, but the target was extremely close. It was hit immediately, and there was support under it. The system said this rally all day long to new highs was a false one and that we would retrace, which we did do. There is no mejt call for tomorrow, so we have to use other forms of technical analysis to make a prediction. If you look at the 65-minute chart, I pointed out that we had some sell signals here when we had bar number 13 print on the combo and sequential sell. After that, we got 9 bars of a new setup, which reinstates the sell signal right here. The stop is based on closing prices, and we closed under that price. There is a tolerance to close somewhat over it, but based on the count on these numbers over the bars, we have sell signals. If you use the counts under the bars with a recycle, I should say that this first count began from here. If you count from here and use numbers under the bars, we have an early bar 13, which according to DeMark's work gives a sell signal right over here. So we have a multitude of sell signals on the 65-minute chart by DeMark's work. The odds favor a drop. If the call fails, it should fail big time. Another way to look at this is we have a stilt. We have a very obvious diamond. And there's a good chance, but not a requirement, that we have a stilt-like move down to the origin of the left stilt. I have seen this pattern fail on occasion. Usually one knows it if we trade over this recent high. But the majority of the time when you have a stilt and a diamond, you get a stilt-like move down. Another way to look at things, we had an initial rally yesterday over here. We made new highs, more new highs, higher highs, and even yet higher highs, and then we couldn't even close over the first one. We never got too much higher, even though we had a series of higher highs. This is a sign of churning at the top, and as long as we hold this price at tomorrow's open and don't trade over these highs, I think the odds favor a drop and probably in a stilt-like move. So mejt has no call for tomorrow based on other factors. As long as these highs hold, we could have a stilt-like move down to the origin of this stilt, which is about 1900 and change, and that's today's call.